Building the den frame is child's play. With 8 corners and 12 tubes, it can be set up in minutes, and interestingly, it creates a cube that measures 1 metre. From a mathematical perspective, children might like to consider for a moment that they would need a massive 1 million 1 centimetre cubes, or 1,000 10 centimetre cubes to fill the 1 metre den frame. The main purpose of the den frame is to provide a space for children to hide, play, and set their imaginations free. It is a place for them to occupy, to decorate, to sit quietly, to read, to play, and to enjoy. Numerous resources have been designed around the frame, including fine fabric for a fantasy look, delicate hessian and camouflage for the jungle appeal, or as an animal shelter, and even reflective foil for that space-age look. An open-ended play resource with so very many uses.